Explain the concept of view in SQL. In SQL, a view is a virtual table that is created by a query and is not stored as a physical table in the database. Views are used to simplify complex queries, provide security by restricting access to certain columns or rows, and encapsulate complex business logic or data transformation. Here are the key concepts and benefits of views in SQL. Virtual table. A view is essentially a saved SQL query that produces a result set. It acts like a table but doesn't store data itself. Instead, it's a dynamic read-only representation of data from one or more underlying table. Views are created using create view statement. Simplifying queries. Views are often used to simplify complex SQL queries. By creating view with a frequently used query, you can reference the view in other queries, making them shorter and more readable. This can improve code maintainability. Data abstraction. View allow you to abstract the underlying structure of the database. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex database schema, as user can work with a simplified and customized representation of data. Data security. Views can be used to enforce security and access control. You can limit the column or rows that user can access by defining view that provide a filter or restricted subset of the data. Encapsulation of business logic. Views are valuable for encapsulating complex business logic and data transformation. You can use them to create computed columns, apply data validation, and combine data from multiple tables. User can work with the result from this operation without needing to understand the underlying logic. Performance optimization. View can help optimize query performance by pre-calculating and storing complex operation or aggregation. This can reduce the need to run expensive computation repeatedly. Consistency and data integrity. View can help ensure data consistency and integrity by creating views that enforce certain rules or validation. You can prevent incorrect data from being inserted or updated. Dynamic data. Views provide a dynamic representation of data. When the underlying data changes, the view reflects those changes immediately when queried. Naming and documentation. View allow you to assign meaningful name to the result set, making it easier to understand the purpose of the query. This aids in database documentation and make it more user friendly. Reusable code. Use a reusable component. Once created, they can be used in multiple queries or by various applications, reducing code duplication. To create a view, you can use the create view statement to define the view name and the SQL query that defines its structure. For example, create view name as select column 1 column 2 from table name where condition. To query a view, you simply use it as if it were a regular table in your SQL statement. Select star from view name. View are a powerful feature in SQL that can enhance database design, security, and query simplicity. They allow for data abstraction and customization, helping users work with data more effectively and efficiently.